Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for an amazing crossbody bag for the man in your life, you need to check out this leather one from CENUNCO. First off, this is made with really beautiful leather. We think the dark brown color is really complementary to many different styles of clothing. This is deceptively large. You can fit a lot into it, and it came in perfect when my husband and I took a trip recently. It was really great for him to use for a day pack. We used it to fit water bottles, towels for the beach, and many other things, and there was room to spare. My husband really likes this style. It's a motorcycle style, and it has such a unique look to it with the many different pockets and buckles and zippers. The inside has a plethora of pockets and little slots. In fact, you don't even need to use a wallet when you have this bag because there's slots to put your ID or credit cards, anything else. And there's still lots of room for things like tablets, your cell phone. The pockets on the front and the side accommodate many things as well. And we found that cell phone fits in the upper or the bottom pocket too. The stitching on this is very secure, it's well made, and the zippers are super smooth. I also like the addition of the buckle at the top. It just really has a nice polished aesthetic to it. The bag can be worn crossbody in the front or in the back, and the shoulder strap clips to either side so it can accommodate either a left or a right hand wear. This is such a beautiful bag. It's made really well. The leather is so soft. It would make a perfect gift for someone. We really like it, and that's our point of view.